Yes, student, today I will teach you about abbreviations. You know that this is very important while doing the notes, and that is a compulsory questions in 11 12. For the same, I am teaching you about abbreviations. Now, I have written the type of abbreviation. First, it is initialism. Second, it is acronym. Third, it is shortening, and fourth, it is contractions. Now, student, I will tell you in detail. In initialism, we only take the first letter of a group of words and we pronounce each letter individually, as I have written the definition. And initialism is formed from the first letter of a group of words and we pronounce each letter individually. Examples I have written: FBI, CD, CEO, PLC, UFO. And student, there is no use of full stop in between the two letters or at the end. Understand? Now, second it is acronym. Acronym and uh, initialism both are same, and in both the abbreviation we take the first letter of a group of word. The same we will I have written here. An acronym is formed from the first letters of a group of word, but here is the difference. In initialism we pronounce the letters individually, but here we pronounce the letter as a word. Like here examples I have written: NASA, NATO, PIN, OPAC. And again there is no need to put full stop at the end or between the letters. Now third, it is shortening. Shortening abbreviation is very important and it has two types. As I have written, a shortening is an abbreviation in which the beginning or the end of the word has been omitted. Understand? It has two types. I have written real words abbreviation and not real word abbreviations. If we discuss about real word abbreviation, real words are those words which are written and spoken same. I have written real words are those words which are written and spoken as one word or same. Like here, ad. This stands for advertisement. App. This stands for application software. Flu, it stands for influenza, and rhino stands for rhinoceros. And you know, students, we can speak, add, and write. We already know that flu we use in speaking flu as a word, and we also write flu as a word. Same way we also write and speak rhino, and there is no difference. That's why we have put all those abbreviations which are spoken and written same under the category of real words. Now second category is not real words. Not real words are those words which are written and spoken not as one word. They are different. As I have written, not real words are those words which are written and spoken not as one word. Example I have written, for example, fab, it stands for February, etc, it stands for etc. Students, we can write them fab and etc, but in speaking we will use complete verb February, etc. So that's why they are under the category of not real words. Again, those words which are written and spoken not as same word and are there is difference in writing and speaking. Like here I have given that we can write fab and etc, but we will speak February and etc. Those words are put under the category of not real words. As I have written examples clear that we can write fab, but not in speaking it will remain February. Understand? Now fourth abbreviation is contraction. Yes, student, this is the fourth type of abbreviation, and in under this abbreviation we omit the middle part of the word. As I have written, contraction are abbreviation in which we omit letter from the middle of a word. Like here I have written uh, that example: dr, it stands for doctor; govt, it stands for government. And you can see that the middle part of these words are omitted. The first letter is D and the last letter is R. Same way it is GOVT. Two first letters of this word GO and GOV 3 and the last letter is T. And we can say that this is the second category. We can also use apostrophe sign if we have two words, only to show that the middle part has been omitted. As I have written example he is, and we can write he apostrophe s. Same way they would, we can write they apostrophe d. These are the four type of abbreviation, and hope that you will use these abbreviation in your note making exercises.